Hey, what are you guys doing? Hmm? Uh-oh. Who did that? Me too. Hey, Jackson? Who did it? You? You? Or you? They found our stash, Mommy. It's supposed to be in the living room. They found our stash. Trouble. In the pantry. Look at them. Hey, you. You're not innocent. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Yeah, you. Trouble.